Hi, Nancy-Addison here with Organic Healthy Lifestyle, and I'm here with my healthy tip. I'm here in Phoenix, Arizona on a business trip, and one of the things that you can do when you're out on business trips or visiting family or even just on vacation is to get up about 30, 40, 45 minutes or an hour early and go take a wonderful walk. Get your circulation going, get oxygen moving through your body. It's very uplifting and it will really give you energy for the rest of the day. And then eat a really nourishing breakfast, something with whole food in it that really feeds your body on a deep cellular level. You wouldn't expect your car to run on empty with no gas in it. Well, it's the same with your body. First thing in the morning, we're empty. We want to fill it up with some really high quality fuel. So eat a really fresh, organic, whole food breakfast and give your body that fuel you need to run on for the rest of the day. And have a wonderful business trip or visit your relatives or a vacation and make it a really healthy one.